Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Before you try to glide after landing, confirm whether redeploy is enabled for the match or whether you carry an item that grants glide. If redeploy is allowed, stepping off a high edge and pressing and holding your jump button will open your glider. On keyboard, the default is space. On controller, it is A or X. If redeploy is disabled, you cannot simply open your glider from standing ground. Use a launch pad, rift to go, shockwave grenade, or bounce item to regain air and redeploy. When redeploy is not available or you need a fast escape, items become essential. Place and activate a launch pad to catapult you roughly 50 meters into the sky and auto-deploy your glider for a controlled descent. Use a rift to go to teleport into the sky and re-enter glide mode in about 3 seconds after use. It is reliable for repositioning. Toss a shockwave grenade to propel yourself forward and upward, and while airborne, press and hold jump to open the glider and recover distance. Once you have a glider active after landing, treat it as a tactical movement tool. Hold jump while airborne to control descent and steer towards safety or loot. This helps you avoid open field exposure. Aim your glide trajectory so you land near cover, high ground, or a rotated position within about 100 meters of your drop point to stay competitive. Use glide angle to bleed vertical distance and avoid fall damage, and prioritize escaping third-party engagements by increasing horizontal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.